Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And yes, we have a small unboxing, not a very big box. It's tiny. See my hand size. It's not a huge box, but samples from Maggards. Always a fun time. Samples from Maggards. So let me see here. Here we go. Go. And there we go. So not a ton of stuff. Just a few things to give you something to look at over the next month, and a little something for Father Matt at church. He was mentioning something that he likes, so I want to get him a couple of samples. So I'll show you his stuff first. So I'm taking it out of the package here so I can show you. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, right here. So 2 samples, an aftershave and a soap that are for Father Matt. So Father Matt, if you're watching, yeah, this is coming your way come Sunday. So he's getting Taylor Revolt Bond Street Sandalwood. He was mentioning that he enjoyed the classical, stuff that's been around for a while. So, and he didn't have any Taylor Revolt Bond. So there we go. I had to get that for him. So this is just one that it's just, I just think it's one of those that just a lot of people, as you come into the hobby of collecting the soaps and everything, usually some Taubes is going to be there, and usually the Sandalwood's going to be one of them. So yeah, there's that. So, but now let's go on to the other thing. So I got one other aftershave, because I got a few more aftershaves than I had soaps, so I only bought one aftershave. Let me take it out of the bag, I'll show you. So what do I get? Glasses on. Oh, one aftershave, Blue Mediterranean. It says Epsilon. So yeah, I'll have to find out more of that, what I bought, when it comes time to use it one of these Saturdays, excuse me. Now soaps, what I get? I got 1, 2, 3, I got 4. So yeah, it's basically about a month's worth of soaps here. So let's see what we got here. Let me just put them down. Okay, so the first soap is Zingari Man Nomad. Oh, that's not focusing well. Come on, focus. There we go. Zingari Man Nomad. So that's one. Next one, oh, I just want to show you the color of it first. See, there's a color. There we go. This is Declaration Grooming Dayman. And see, I'm not gonna sniff these today, because yeah, I'm gonna sniff them and tell you about them when I try them out. Today I'm just gonna show them to you. Then here's one I was intrigued. I want to try it since I got Father Matt a soap. I wanted to get a Taylor Revolt Bond Street too. So it's something I hadn't tried before. Avocado. You see that? Avocado. I like avocados. So let's see. And the last one we had to get to, because I've been trying different ones for this company. Black Ship Grooming Company, Thomas 2. So we say, because last week I used the citrus-based one, and it wasn't as post-shavy feel, it wasn't just as slippery and nice as the other one I tried. So I wanted to try another non-citrus one. So just to check it out. So yeah, I mean, it's an inexpensive way to try it for $3.60 thereabouts. Less than $4. You can try a sample, give it a shot. Yeah, it's plus shipping, but it's spread out of all these things. So add another 25 cents or more, well, 50 cents per item, and that'll kind of even out the shipping cost amongst the different items. But just thought I'd like to see just a quick, simple little tiny box of samples that I got, and it's just in a small, itty bitty little box, not really a very big box. Call it like a 4-inch by 4-inch by 2-inch box, I guess. But it's fun to get. It's fun to get the different samples and try the different things. So I'm excited. I hope you are too, because yeah, you'll be seeing this in the future. So with that, gentlemen, go with God.